Hi, my name is Vijay Simulation and I'm going now to sing Dance with Father with Jessica Sanchez, including the I Won't Give Up with Jason Mraz. And this is so crucial and very beautiful voice of me. Okay, sila lang may sabi nun. Okay. Before I'm going to start with this song, I will give some of introductions about the Dance with My Father. Dance with My Father is a song will in the title Dance with the Father. So I will dance with the Father, and dance with the Father will dance with me, and the me will dance with the Father. So it's a very crucial, and you would miss this because I have very louder voice. Okay, I'm going to start now. Huwag kang epal. Back when I was a child, before life moon out innocent, my father would lift me high
Ikaw ay mo yan?
and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then the footsteps they would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with them, I'll play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. When my mother was disagree, to get my way, I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me. Oh, and finally made me do just what my mama said. Later the night when I was asleep, he lifted dollar to my sheet, never dreaming what they come for me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'll play a song that will never, ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Oh, sometimes I will listen to song I know. I hear my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me, and I pray for her even more than me. Oh, I know I'll pray for much too much, but could you stand back the only man she loved? And I know it's not the way usually, but the Lord is I am. To dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep. This is all I ever dream.